Hello guys, welcome back to Digital Life. So today we'll be talking about how you can create your own list and what is solo ads. So in last video we talked about solo ads, in which we said it is a top paid advertisement. Like we use Facebook, Google, and all that stuff. But for affiliate marketing, the best way is solo ads. So let me explain how you can create your own list and why you should do that. Like it's must. Okay. So let me explain the normal way which people like the beginners do. Like even I did was like your link. Wait. Okay, your link, and then oh shit. Okay, wait. I'm so bad at this. Where is it? Why it's not coming? Okay, your link. Okay, and you send them directly to your offer page, and this is what we are doing wrong. Okay, what we need to do is our link, then send them to the your landing page, and then to your offer page. Okay, so when you create a landing page, people will click on your link, they will come to your landing page, and then they'll give their email, and then they'll go to your offer here. But some people will not buy your product at the first moment. Okay, they will check, they will go through your offer page, they'll maybe watch the videos, and maybe they're like, oh, it's highly priced, so I can't, and they'll just go back. So what you will get, the plus point if you create a landing page, is that you will get their emails. Okay, you can create this list from Weber. Okay, you can make it in ClickFunnels, and also if you're a beginner, you can use MailChimp. Okay, I highly recommend that because it's free. So you can do that from MailChimp. Okay, now we have their email in our list. Okay, so what we're going to do on the day one, we want to send them a free ebook or something like that. Okay, and then day two, we want to send them another ebook. Okay, and then day three, we're going to send them our offer. Okay, this is how it works. Free book, offer. Now let me explain why solo ads is important if you're a beginner. Okay, now you don't have any list, you're zero. Okay, then you created a list from ClickFunnels or Weber or from MailChimp. So you have a list and you have your link. That's it. Okay, and you have your custom made email which you got from the program. So all these things are stuff ready, but you don't have list. So what you'll do, you go to solo ads. Okay, you buy a list of maybe say like a 200 or 100. Okay, go for 100 from like starting. Okay, you go to their list. I mean, you buy their list. Okay, and inside it's like your offer, your link, and here's the point. Okay, when you give your link, affiliate link, what you have to do is you have to give your landing page link. So these people are going to click on that link. It goes to your landing page, and then it goes to the offer. Okay, so here is your landing page, okay. So you will get all these 100 people into your list. You got it? That's powerful. Okay, if you're a beginner, go for solo ads, make your landing page, get those people into your list, start doing it nicely. Go for a free ebook, giving them value. Okay, like, because if you start giving them from the first your offers, they're gonna spam you. Okay, they're gonna just unsubscribe you from your list. So I hope this video helped you. I know it was a little bit not that good, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more. See you soon.